Hello everyone. Guess karo, where am I? I'm in Meghalaya. Today I'm going to explore some of the beautiful places in around Shillong. We'll be showing some of the beautiful moments that I'm going to have today. And don't expect too high from me, okay? I'm being honest here. Roads are new to us. I'll be more cautious while driving. And today, first in the list, we are visiting Seven Sister Waterfalls. It is in Cherrapunji. I'll show you there. Let's go. And let me also tell you that Meghalaya means mega, which means clouds. Alaya means about. That means it is about of clouds. Meghalaya का असली मीनिंग है. और you can see all around इतना सारा fog है. I'm sure we'll be having a great time there. Expecting lots of good moments there. And finally we are at Seven Sisters Waterfall. This is our first visit. See, there are clouds everywhere. The reason why it is named Meghalaya, as I have told you earlier. And you can see how beautiful the place is. I don't know my camera will do the justice or not. Will I be able to capture it or not? I don't know. But the beauty is something. I think my camera won't do the justice here. But I'll try to capture each and every details of this waterfalls. Seven Sisters Q number, I don't know. I don't have any idea, to be honest. I don't want to give you wrong information here. It's both in the air. You should come and visit and have good time here. Especially who's trying to beat the heat now. tarik.
Bisa.
नहीं शेयर करना चाहिए बाकी चीज भी कर सकते हो गया अब एक दो कितना जाम एक दो थैंक यू पूरा आप चार पाँच आज तक कितने मिलते हैं Wow, see the beauty all around. Really, God has given so much to the Meghalayan. So beautiful. And this is the waterfall that we have come here to visit. It is a smaller one compared to the earlier one. And tourists are all from, I think, every hook and corner of the state and also from across the country. Nature is so amazing, man. I don't know my videography will be able to do the justice or not, but it is beautiful. Mostly waterfall. पता नहीं ये राइस बोलते हैं ये क्या नाम
क्या राइस बोलता है इसको राइस बोलते हो रहे
So we had our lunch and now we are planning to visit the most exciting one, that is Living Road Bridge, Living Road double deck bridge. Will be exciting one. Oh, वहाँ नीचे जाना है हम लोग सबको. So exciting. As for local 3,000 stairs, series of steps. Let's get it done. Yes. Okay. तो यहाँ से नज़ारा कुछ ऐसा. We will be going through this jungle and won't be that tough. Okay, because I can walk very far. We are like about to reach our destination, getting closer. We have crossed the series of steps and we are about to reach our destination. Finally getting closer and closer. Let's go. Yeah, finally we are at the double deck bridge, living bridge. As you can see, there are two. It is double deck, and it is totally living, made of living root trees, root of the trees. I'm going to walk through this. Let's go. I've seen it many a times through videos, but I've never seen it by myself. So I'm very very excited. Let's walk through this. काफी अच्छा लग रहा है. As you can see, it's roots of the trees that has been made to a bridge so that humans can walk upon and cross the river.